flooded, and we hear a lot of trash. The water, the owner said the water get up to right here. That's pretty high, right? About 4 feet. Seas got so dirty. I can't able to fix this car. Look at this. Feet totally different. My goodness. There's a lot of work. Look at this. So basically this is the original in the bottom. This is how its color is supposed to be. This. In the back, this thing's peel off. That too. This car is just destroyed. If you drink this, you become smart. So I'll remove and drink it. Crazy. So here's the rest of the piece. Supposedly, alright, now I got seas out, and as you see, here's the water. So, alright, halfway, almost out. These are how they clip them. With these clips. All these clips, they done it like this. So they hold it in the bottom, and then this is how they sit this sheet. So last one, and almost out. And then I'm gonna go in and wash this thing and dry this. Even if you clean it with cover on like this, it's still gonna make this kind of dirty on the seat, so you have to take it off and clean it very well and let it dry separately, so you won't get good is after when you clean, and then when you have dust like that on the engine, top of the engine, it's very easy to clean it out. All you gotta do is just So basically what this liquid does is it don't stick the dust, trash, the top of the